Hello, property owners and managers in Bengaluru. Managing maintenance issues across rental properties can be time-consuming and chaotic. Missed calls, confusing texts, and unorganized paperwork often lead to delays and unhappy tenants. But in the age of digital convenience, there's a smarter, more efficient way to handle it all. Enter online maintenance request portals, platforms that are transforming property management by streamlining communication, improving transparency, and keeping both landlords and tenants in sync. In this video, we'll explore how online portals simplify maintenance for rental properties and why switching to one is a must-have strategy in today's fast-paced rental market. 1. Eliminate confusion with centralized communication. Gone are the days of managing maintenance requests through scattered texts, emails, or paper notes. Online portals consolidate all communication into a single, secure platform, ensuring requests are properly logged and tracked. Tenants can easily submit their concerns to the portal, receive a confirmation, and stay updated throughout the process. This eliminates lost messages and provides property managers with a clean digital record, leading to faster resolutions and more professional service delivery. 2. 24/7 tenant access for convenience and speed. Online portals offer tenants the ability to raise maintenance requests anytime, from anywhere, whether it's a late-night power failure or a weekend water leak. Tenants don't have to wait for office hours. This always-on accessibility allows property managers to act swiftly, especially in emergencies, while reassuring tenants that their concerns are taken seriously, enhancing overall satisfaction. 3. Structured forms for clearer maintenance requests. Unlike informal messages, digital portals use structured forms that prompt tenants to provide complete and relevant details, such as the nature of the problem, urgency, and access permissions. This minimizes guesswork and avoids delays, ensuring technicians arrive prepared with the right tools and information, ultimately reducing repeat visits and speeding up resolutions. 4. Real-time status updates for greater transparency. One of the top tenant complaints is the lack of updates after reporting a problem. Online portals solve this by enabling real-time tracking of requests. Tenants can log in to check progress, view technician assignments, and see when a job has been completed. This transparency reduces unnecessary follow-ups while giving landlords and managers a live dashboard to monitor open in progress and closed requests. 5. Built-in documentation for accountability. Every stage of a maintenance task, right from request submission to resolution, is automatically time-stamped and recorded within the portal. This creates a reliable digital trail that helps resolve disputes, confirm timelines, and evaluate service performance. If questions arise from tenants or service providers, property managers can refer to the documented history and confidently resolve issues. 6. Seamless work order and vendor coordination. Online maintenance portals often integrate with property management software, making it easy to convert requests into a work order and assign it directly to internal teams or external vendors. Service providers can update statuses, upload photos, and confirm job completion within the system, eliminating the need for multiple emails or phone calls. This integration streamlines workflows and ensures nothing is missed. 7. Use data insights to prevent future breakdowns. Online platforms don't just help resolve current issues. They also help you plan for the future. By analyzing maintenance request patterns, you can identify recurring issues across properties, schedule preventive maintenance, and make smarter investment decisions. For example, frequent plumbing complaints in one building could prompt a system upgrade, saving costs and improving reliability in the long run. 8. Boost tenant satisfaction and lease renewals. Today's tenants expect convenience and prompt responses, especially in major rental hubs like Bengaluru. When you use an online portal to deliver a fast and efficient maintenance experience, it directly contributes to tenant happiness. Satisfied tenants are more likely to renew leases and recommend your property to others, helping reduce turnover and maintain consistent occupancy. 9. Mobile access for on-the-go management. Modern online portals are designed with mobility in mind, featuring responsive websites or dedicated apps. This allows tenants to raise tickets from their smartphones and enables managers or technicians to respond quickly while in the field. No more delays waiting to return to the office. Real-time updates and mobile alerts keep everyone connected and responsive. 10. Drive efficiency and cut costs. Though adopting an online portal involves a small upfront investment, the long-term gains are significant. You save time on administrative tasks, avoid miscommunication, and reduce costly repairs through timely interventions. Improved efficiency leads to lower operational expenses and better asset management, which translates into higher returns for property owners. Bonus insight: select the right portal for your property size. Different portfolios require different tools. If you manage a few rental homes, basic tools like Google Forms or entry-level platforms might be enough. But for larger portfolios, solutions like AppFolio, Buildium, or Propertyware offer advanced features like automation, vendor integration, and reporting tools. Choosing the right system ensures you get the features you need without overcomplicating the process. Partner with SANGAU for reliable maintenance management. At SANGAU, we understand that proactive property maintenance is key to tenant satisfaction and long-term rental success. That's why we use advanced online maintenance portals as part of our comprehensive property management services in Bengaluru. Whether you're a single homeowner or manage multiple properties, SANGAU ensures every maintenance request is handled with professionalism, speed, and transparency. Our goal is to make property ownership worry-free while keeping your tenants happy and your properties well-maintained. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more smart property management tips and updates from SANGAU. Have questions or need help implementing an online maintenance portal? Reach out to us today. We're here to help simplify your rental journey.